The Gulf Islands are the most beautiful places in the world. Enjoy one of the many parks located on the southern Gulf Islands. Hiking is a popular pastime on the Gulf Islands. Dogs are welcome, but they must be kept under control at all times. Enjoy the local wildlife, but keep your distance and respect Mother Nature. Recycling and waste management play a major role in preserving the Gulf Islands' natural beauty. Enjoy whale watching tours, or get out on a kayak and experience a whole other perspective of the Gulf Islands. Come and enjoy the beautiful natural views and stunning sunsets only found on the Gulf Islands. From produce to art, the islands provide many chances to make positive purchases. The southern Gulf Islands have a great reputation for providing local, fresh produce. From farm stands to weekly farmers markets, the Gulf Islands have many opportunities to purchase fresh, locally grown food. Markets are colorful settings to shop and support local farmers, artisans, and entrepreneurs. The climate and suitable weather make the Gulf Islands one of British Columbia's fastest-growing wine regions. The Gulf Islands are surrounded by water. Ironically, this is one of the most scarce resources in the region. Keeping the oceans, rivers, and lake habitats clean is important to the thousands of species who depend on them. Protecting ground and fresh water is vital to continuing the Gulf Islands' way of life. Throughout the year, but especially through late spring to early fall, water scarcity is an issue for the residents. While on the Gulf Islands, remember that you are a visitor in a fragile ecosystem. The Gulf Islands have a limited ability to store surface and groundwater and lose up to 80% of rainwater as runoff to the ocean. There are various things that you can do personally to have a gentle impact on the Gulf Islands' water supply. Take short showers. Make sure taps are turned off completely, and be water conscious. By being conscious of your consumption, we can continue to protect the Gulf Islands for future generations. Visitors often come to the Gulf Islands seeking an escape to a clean, pristine environment. However, car congestion can make coming to the islands a stressful experience. Cut down on costs, pollution, and stress through alternative transportation. Step off the ferry onto one of Salt Springs' public buses that service the island. Ride-sharing is a common way to get around. Car stop signs on Pender mark pickup stations. Bring your bike and exercise while exploring the islands. Car drivers should take precaution to share the winding roads with cyclists. When in a group, ride your bike single file. Plan your trip ahead of time to reduce your carbon footprint. Near the Galiano Ferry, you can pick up fuel-efficient cars for your trip. Scooters, bikes, and even boats can be rented on the islands. The West Coast is perfect for eco-friendly activities like sailing and kayaking. By taking steps to greener transportation, you can do your part to keep the air and natural environment of the Gulf Islands beautiful for generations to come.